Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to do a lemon crinkle cake mix cookie. So let's get started. So I absolutely love these cookie recipes because they're super easy. And we've already done one. If you remember, it was a snickerdoodle cookie. So this one is a lemon crinkle, and I'm just using a box cake mix. That's all that we're using. We have a cake mix, we have oil, and we have eggs. And that's it. And that's what I love about this. All right, so we've got our oven already preheating at 350 degrees. And we're going to get this lemon cake mix in here. When I discovered these recipes, they came with so many different variations, and that's what has intrigued me so much. So I'm anxious to try all of them with you guys. So far, this is our second one. But while I'm doing this, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on that link tree for other fun stuff, okay? Okay, so we've got 2 eggs. Let me just throw those back in here. Gosh, you can smell the lemon already. It smells so good. I also love that this recipe does not make a ton of cookies. So if I just want something real quick, I've got it and I'm ready to go. So we've got this all mixed up and ready to go. And we've got a big scooper. So we're going to take each one and we're going to dunk them in the powdered sugar. This is going to be phenomenal because lemon is my fave. For sure. All right, so we're just going to get all of these done up and placed on our cookie sheet, and then it'll be time to go in the oven. All right, our first batch of these lemon crinkle cake mix cookies are ready to go in our 350-degree oven, and they're going to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, so I'll catch you back here in a bit. All right, these lemon crinkle cake mix cookies are done. They've been in the oven, oh my goodness, for about 13 minutes. Lemon crinkle cake mix cookies, done. Look at how beautiful those are. This is a perfect little dessert. I gotta love it. So once again, thank you again for experimenting with me in the kitchen. I hope you guys had a good time because I know that I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. Cheers. Yummy.